Ni riboti ya ruhonge rwa kumurika uria bururi urahurana na ng'aragu kuuma kwi anyiti itemi matiganite honge-ini cia thirikari nio Kenya Food Security Assessment gigitongorio ni ruhonge rwa kuhurana na ng'aragu bururi-ini NDMA. Thiini wa riboti ya umuthi gikundi giki gikiuga andu matanyihire 800 kuma icigo itiganite cia bururi nio mang'etheirwo ni ng'aragu na mbere itanyitwo kuongerereka ica ikuhi mbura ya kimera kia njahi gicererwo.
As now is 800,000, but there's another 300,000 that are likely to fall into that phase in the coming. It could be in the coming 1 month if the situation doesn't improve.
Ng'aragu ino igikuruhanio na kunyiha kwa mbura ya kimera kia mwere mwaka muhituku undu uria wacungireirie guthuka kwa magetha no nyihu wa mahuti ma mahiu icigo-ini itiganite.
The below normal performance of the rainfall affected crop production in the agropastoral and marginal agricultural livelihood zones, with all the areas reporting 50% below the expected harvests.
Really the responsibility of the farmers themselves to take advantage of the current situation. They should be selling their stock now while they're getting a good price rather than waiting for the conditions to deteriorate.
Bururi riu ukivatara kuma muigana wa ciringi birioni 34 kuhurana na mathina maria maumanite na ng'aragu ta wagi wa mai, irio, guteithiriria hari githomo, kurigita mirimu itiganite iria yumanaga na umagaru gatagati ka magi.
We are distributing to 1,970 health facilities in the 23 ASAL counties nutrition commodities which will be taking care on the acute malnutrition situation.
Hamwe na kaunti iria ihatiririkite na njira nene kumana na ng'aragu ino ya andu na mahiu ni hamwe na kaunti ya Garissa, Wajir na Turkana. Riboti ino igiokorwo riri aikaria kaunti ya Turkana maronekana makigucaniria irio cia wendi mwega, arume manyitite ndoto no kionereria kia uria ng'aragu makureire maitho na njira nene. Oho ciana itanyiheire 541 magana 309 cia gatagati ka ukuru wa mieri 6 nginya mieri 59 na atumia aritu kuma 30,712 ni maravatara urigitani kumana na mathina maria moimanaga na mirire miuru, kionereria kia makinya mana ihenya gukorwo makivatara gukorwo magitacukio. Hadi ni Hakameme TV, Jitagwo Maina, Kihumo.